Deep in the immensity of the cosmos, located approximately 2 million light-years away from our own galaxy, we find ourselves captivated by Andromeda, the closest galaxy to our Milky Way. Often regarded as one of the most beautiful galaxies, Andromeda offers a stunning view, particularly on nights when the sky is completely clear. Under such conditions, we can observe it with the naked eye, thanks to its relative proximity to us. This magnificent galaxy is home to an immeasurable number of luminous stars, akin to countless cars that are able to contain light in their luminous glow. However, recent findings suggest that this seemingly beautiful galaxy may not be as benign as we once believed. In fact, we could be facing a truly terrifying reality. Andromeda might be a harbinger of destruction. What leads us to this unsettling conclusion? Stay with us until the end of this video to uncover the truth, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is crucial for the channel and means a lot to us. It is well known among astronomers that galaxies, including our own, formed from gas and dust that originated from the Big Bang. Over immense periods of time, these cosmic entities have adapted and evolved, gradually shaping themselves into the structures we recognize today. However, it appears that our neighbor Andromeda has taken on a darker identity, becoming a cannibal galaxy. Throughout its long life, Andromeda has been consuming smaller galaxies, and now it seems to be turning its gaze toward us, posing the threat of a colossal galactic collision or perhaps a slow but deliberate consumption of the Milky Way until we become a mere component of its vastness. This ominous transformation into a cannibalistic galaxy is evident in Andromeda's ability to overpower its weaker neighbors, leaving behind a trail of cosmic debris that has persisted for billions of years. According to a study conducted by a reputable team of researchers from the University of Sydney, Australia, there is a significant probability that the Milky Way will share a similar fate. This alarming phenomenon was first observed by astronomers who were studying the stellar structures that reside within the Andromeda galaxy, which seem to have originated from another galaxy entirely. This discovery has led scientists to speculate that these stars may have been devoured by Andromeda during its extensive cosmic history. Astrophysicists describe this team of stars as remnants of a grand cosmic feast that Andromeda indulged in at various points in its past. Throughout the history of the universe, Andromeda's insatiable gravitational pull has resulted in the obliteration of smaller galaxies, effectively increasing its own mass and influence. From these observations, researchers have concluded that the growth of Andromeda has been marked by violence and unpredictability, a pattern that could explain the presence of smaller celestial objects orbiting the outskirts of Andromeda. These remnants may represent the consequences of its furious cosmic feasts throughout different phases of its development. This process of galactic interaction has already begun, with both the Milky Way and Andromeda hurtling toward each other at an astonishing speed of 400 kilometers per hour, as documented by NASA. Although this velocity is imperceptible to human senses, it sets the stage for the inevitable formation of a new galaxy. Astrophysicists estimate that this colossal collision will occur in approximately 4 billion years. As Andromeda approaches our galaxy, it is predicted that a grand galactic structure will emerge from the union of these two celestial giants. Rather than Andromeda devouring the Milky Way, it appears that both galaxies will merge to create a much larger, more complex and harmonious entity. Tragically, by that time, it is believed that humanity will have long since become extinct, leaving only the remnants of a civilization that once thrived in this universe, or perhaps not. It is conceivable that humans may evolve technologically to a point where we can escape the inevitable cosmic collision. As we contemplate this possibility, it's crucial to remember that we are not limited to merely thinking about the next 100 years. Instead, we can envision a future where, after thousands and millions of years, we successfully escape not only our solar system but our entire galaxy. No one can confine our imagination. In this distant future, we may be on the verge of achieving a form of immortality, possessing the ability to withstand the harsh radiation of outer space and travel at astonishing speeds, perhaps even approaching the speed of light. Such advancements would be monumental for humanity, allowing us to navigate between galaxies to ensure the survival of our species. From our new vantage point in another galaxy, we could witness the breathtaking collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda. While this cataclysmic event may seem like a natural disaster to us residents of the Milky Way, threatening our very existence, the chance to observe this cosmic spectacle from a safe distance would be nothing short of awe-inspiring. Though Andromeda and the Milky Way will eventually collide, life in the Andromeda galaxy will be absent for millions of years after the merger. However, this absence of life will not be permanent. At some point in the future, the miracle of life will re-emerge within this new galaxy. The inhabitants of this newly formed structure will likely live for significantly longer than we do, yet they will have much to envy about our past. They will be unable to witness the birth of new stars or appreciate the stunning colors and shapes that once adorned the universe as it was before the collision. The details of the Big Bang Theory, which allowed us to glimpse the universe's earliest moments, will be lost on them. They will not have the opportunity to observe the formation of the first galaxies or the quasars, and thus they will miss out on learning about the expansive nature of the universe. In fact, as time progresses, the light from even the nearest galaxies will gradually fade, becoming dimmer and dimmer. The new inhabitants of this merged galaxy may find themselves in a universe where only one galaxy remains visible to them. They will likely come to believe that the universe is static, living in ignorance of the vast cosmic dynamics that once defined their reality. This situation would parallel the ancient beliefs of an Aristotelian universe, where it was thought that the Earth was the center of the cosmos, and that the sun, moon, planets, and all fixed stars revolved around it. This geocentric model played a significant role in shaping human thought, remaining a dominant paradigm for centuries. Its influence was profound, as it not only represented a long-standing way of understanding our world, but also set the stage for the paradigm shift initiated by Copernicus. The Aristotelian model, often referred to as Aristotelian philosophy or the Aristotelian system, encompasses the extensive philosophical and theoretical contributions made by the Greek philosopher Aristotle, who lived from 384 to 322 BC. As a disciple of Plato, Aristotle's work spanned a wide array of disciplines, including logic, metaphysics, ethics, politics, biology, and physics. His worldview was grounded in a theological understanding of the universe, positing that everything in nature possesses an intrinsic purpose or finality. According to Aristotle, the ultimate aim of all entities is to reach their fullest potential or achieve perfection. For instance, he believed that the goal of an acorn is to grow into a mighty oak tree, while the ultimate objective for human beings is to attain wisdom and happiness. In the realm of logic, Aristotle developed a rigorous deductive system known as Aristotelian logic. He introduced the concept of syllogism, a form of deductive reasoning that consists of true premises leading to a valid conclusion. He outlined rules and principles to establish the validity of syllogisms and classified various forms of reasoning within his works. In metaphysics, Aristotle put forth a theory of substance and causality, asserting that everything in the universe is composed of individual substances, entities with independent existence. He identified four causes or grounds that explain the changes and existence of things: the material cause, the formal cause, the efficient cause, and the final cause. In terms of ethics and politics, Aristotle argued that the supreme goal of human beings is to achieve happiness, which he defined as a state of moral excellence. He maintained that happiness is realized through living in accordance with virtue, finding a balanced mean between extremes. Furthermore, he presented a political theory known as Aristotelian politics, advocating for a government structure grounded in virtue and the common good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a like and subscribe. Your support greatly assists the channel, and we truly appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.